Hello guys, today we are going to try out this animation in After Effects. So we are going to start by typing a random text. After place S on your keyboard to adjust its size. Make sure that the text is in the center. Now left click on our mouse and select Create Shapes from Text. After delete this layer, we no longer need it. Then came here and type path to get all the keyframe. Click on every path keyframe on every letter. After place U to bring all letter keyframes. At this distance, raise letter per letter. Now select the fast keyframe and place CTRL-C to copy them. Move at this distance and then place CTRL-V to paste them. Repeat the process to the second keyframes. Now select all the keyframe and place F9 to ease them. Go to Effect and Presets and type Transform. Apply Transform and make the skew -8. So it's time to change the text animation position. Place you on your keyboard and change the keyframe the way you want. Me am going to change them randomly. Select all of them and place Ctrl+C to copy them. Then place Ctrl+C to paste. No, it's time to make the text more real. No, go to Bevel and Emboss and make the size 18. Softness, 16. So on shadow color you can choose any color you want. Shadow opacity 90. Place Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Place S and adjust the top layer according to the video. Place T on your keyboard and make the opacity 5. No, apply glow to make it bit shining. Duplicate the layer again by placing Ctrl+D. Place S and adjust its scale. No, apply gradient ramp on that top layer. You can adjust the start and end color the way you want.